Hi everybody, my name is Rose Marie Coleman and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Right now we are in the midst of the annual special called Sale-A-Bration. And with Sale-A-Bration, there are two starter kits that you can choose to begin your journey with Stampin' Up! And to enjoy a discount on all of your purchases. Whether you want to be a hobby demonstrator or a business demonstrator and make a little extra money on the side, there are two options for you to get a starter kit. And I'm coming to you with an episode of what's in the kit. So here we go. I'm gonna fill this tote, which you can get with option 2 of the starter kit, and I'm going to put $225 of products that I probably would choose if I were to purchase the starter kit. So let's get started with my first episode of what's in your kit. Okay, so what I would do, I would choose option 2 because I love my bag. This is the tote that you get to choose with option 2. It's a huge tote. It holds lots of different supplies, a zipper pocket on the outside, a huge zipper pocket on the back, and it has a shoulder strap so you can carry it like a purse, or you can carry it with the handles. Okay, so you get this with option 2. So it's $225 worth of product you can put in your kit, or you can choose option 1 where you don't get the tote, you just get the $225 worth of product and your starter kit is $135. So let's get started. What would I put in my kit? So this kit that I want to choose is, I'm calling it the Kit Lovers kit. Kit Lovers kit. Okay, because we have lots of all-inclusive kits with Stampin' Up! Sometimes when you're looking at the catalog, it's very overwhelming. There's a lot of products to choose from. But we have in the new occasions catalog, we have some all-inclusive kits. So we have this one, which is called Made to Bloom card kit. It makes 16 cards and it's all inclusive. So it has everything. It has the block, the stamps, all the cut supplies for you to sit down and make those cards. Putting that in my tote. All right, so that's one kit for you guys if you want to choose to do this. The other thing I would do if I was choosing is this project kit, okay? This one also makes, I believe it's 16 cards. It's called the Incredible Like You project kit. And it comes with all of the instructions. Actually, I'm just gonna hold the instructions up. To make these cards times 4, okay? So that's 16 cards in this one. And look at the cute little box that it comes with. All of the supplies are in here for me to sit down and make 16 cards. Now you do need a little extra supplies with this kit, but the cost of the kit is included in the $225, so I'm putting that in my tote. You also need the Incredible Like You stamp set to make those cards, so that's going into my tote. You need 2 ink pads to complete those projects, so you're going to need Lovely Lipstick ink, that's going in, and you need Coastal Cabana ink, that's going in. What else do you need? Memento, that is in, nope, you don't need that for those. So right now I have the tote with 2 card kits and a stamp set in here, okay? What else can we do? In the occasions catalog on page 8, there is a whole list of supplies that you can purchase in this Make It section to make some Valentine's stuff. This is the stamp set here. It's called Hey Love. Love, love, love the stamp set. Look at that cute little ape. And it's all geared towards Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So you could get this within a week. Usually the orders will arrive within a week in Canada. So put that in your starter kit. So Hey Love is going in. What else is going into my starter kit? All of the contents from page 8 that are listed, I have added up, done the math, so we're coming as close to $225. You can't go over $225 for the starter kit. Coming as close as we can. You get a clear block C, that's going in. 8.5 by 11 Whisper White thick cardstock, a full package of that. Okay, that's going into my tote. We are going to put in 2 of the Stampin' Blends. We have Smoky Slate Light and Flirty Flamingo. They're going in. Put those in the little side pocket there. We have a Memento ink pad, which is my favorite black ink pad. That's going in. We have medium navy baker's twine. That's going in here too. And what else do we have here? We also have the cello bags, these 2 by 8 inch cello bags that you can fill with treats and put the toppers on. Now that's where they get this awesome idea here. They filled it with Valentine's treats and they put the little cute little ape at the top. So you're gonna get everything you need with this Make It list to make these Valentine projects. So all of that is in my tote. Pretty sweet deal. This all adds up to $220.75. Plus you're getting this awesome bag, right? So guess what it costs you? It's only gonna cost you $175. That's it. And no shipping or GST. And the best part is you will now have the opportunity to enjoy at least a 20% discount on all your purchases with Stampin' Up! From now until the end of June. So what a sweet deal. So what will you put in your kit? Would you do my suggested kit today? Or you want to tune back again another day and when I will fill another kit? Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.